In today's video, I will teach you how to remove text from images in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in Photoshop. Now, make sure that the image layer is unlocked before clicking on the Object Selection tool from the toolbar. If you can't find it, simply right-click on the Quick Selection tool and select Object Selection tool. Now, select the text. If there are any parts that were excluded or areas that you would like to include, simply use the Quick Selection tool to add or remove certain areas. To add selection, simply click on the areas that you would like to add, but make sure to select the Add to Selection option. Now, to remove a selection, simply hold down Alt key while clicking on the areas that you would like to exclude from selection. Once you're satisfied, you can now click on the Select tab on the menu bar and select Modify, then Expand. Expanding the pixels around the area of the text depends on the size of the image, but make sure not to expand too much, especially in images with complex background and patterns. In this tutorial, since the image that I chose is fairly low quality, I will settle for just 3 pixels. Once you're satisfied, you can now click OK. If you would like to change the value after applying the expansion, simply hit Ctrl Z on your keyboard and repeat the previous step once again until you're satisfied with the amount of pixel expansion. Now, in the toolbar, click on the Edit tab and select Content Aware Fill. Now, the text is removed. You can use the Spot Healing tool as well as a Clone Stamp tool to erase or edit the displaced areas around the text. And once you're satisfied, you can now save it to your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.